Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making baked honey spicy glazed chicken. Guys, this chicken have all the wonderful flavors. It's super easy and delicious. This sweet and salty drumsticks will have you hooked from the first bite. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Here in my bowl I have about 12 chicken drumsticks. First things first, we're gonna season them with salt, chili powder. We are also adding in onion flakes, we are also adding in garlic powder, in goes paprika, then we're gonna add black pepper. Toss everything together, then set aside. Next, we are going to grease the baking dish with a non-stick cooking spray, then lay the chicken drumsticks. Do not add oil. Bake the chicken the way it is. I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna pop this in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. While the chicken is baking, we're gonna go ahead and melt the butter with honey. So this is going to be our sauce, guys. At 20 minutes mark, we're gonna take the chicken out of the oven and rotate it so that the bottom that was in the sauce is now on top. Then we're gonna drizzle it with the honey sauce we just made. Sprinkle with chili flakes. Put it back in the oven and let it bake for another 10 minutes. There you have it, guys. Honey spicy drumsticks. This chicken recipe, guys, is easy and delicious. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.